Twist to single bubbles, 3 fingers wide each. Make a total of 5 sets. Deflate and tie off the ends of the balloon. Cut off the excess. Adjust the position of the petals. Now create the flower core. Inflate the balloon a little. Tie knots on both ends of the balloon. Wrapped around the petals. Wrapped around the petals. Wrapped as shown in the video. If one isn't enough, add another. Keep wrapping until it's fully covered. Cut off all excess from the back. Wrap the stem around the petals as well. Twist a small round bubble, then make a bear ear twist. Tie off and cut off the excess stem. The jellyfish flower is now complete.